Well, some people see gardening as a hobby. U of I students see it as a way to save their environment. It's a long-term project to help make a forest in Urbana more friendly to bugs, mammals, and people.
There's a nice little bulge at the very bottom where all the leaves come out from.
This is a part of a grassroots effort. Scott Nelson and a dozen other U of I students are making this forest a little greener, a little brighter, and a lot more welcoming to its visitors.
What we're trying to do here is, in this forest, is to increase the biodiversity and local representation of plant and animal species.
It starts by weeding out some plants.
A lot of the exotic plants are actually inedible to the native insects.
Madeline McGrady explains how it's done.
We can go ahead and pull it out just by shaking the roots and kind of lightly getting underneath the soil. Garlic mustard, for the reason it's really bad, is that it's considered an invasive plant.
So by taking this garlic mustard out, they're leaving room for native plant species to grow, which both insects and people can enjoy.
The public should be able to walk through.
John Marlin has a vision for it.
And they should be able to see a lot of woodland wildflowers, native plants.
He got involved because he didn't like his vision of the place.
I got disgusted with the view from Windsor Avenue, and I walked through here and found out it was a biological desert.
A lot has been done since the project started. The trees marked with white ribbons used to have poison ivy. Plus, where we're standing used to be overgrown with honeysuckle. The area is more clear now, but there's still a lot of room to grow.
Not only are we going to be able to practice conservation on the areas that we have left, but some of the places that that have lost their biodiversity, we're going to be able to bring that back and increase the value.
The project involving the woods area off of Windsor Road started a little more than 2 years ago. Marlin says it will probably take about 5 years before the area looks the way they want it to. The U of I students are working on several other areas as well. Overall, it's a 3-part mission: conservation, restoration, and beautification.